I think that when you walk through the model homes and you see how they're built and the features that are in them, that's exactly what you're going to get when you walk into your home. It's going to be just like that. My name's Susan, and I purchased a house in Britton Farms. From the very moment that I walked into the sales office to the day that I closed was great. My questions were answered promptly. Even through the lending company, they were the same way, keeping me posted weekly with where everything's at. So I really appreciated being kept informed. Now that I'm in my new home, my favorite feature was, and probably always will be, my coffered ceiling. It is a beautiful detail, makes it feel warm and cozy and very rich and elegant. The safety feature that's my favorite is my storm shelter. I'm new to Oklahoma, and so the prospect of having big storms and needing somewhere safe to go was really important to me. And then the alarm system that comes standard in the house is the other favorite feature of mine. They have done what they said that they were going to do. Follow through has been amazing. I'm really appreciative of knowing that if I have an issue or another issue comes up, that I know that they're going to respond quickly. All in all, my experience has been amazing. I would recommend Tabor to anyone looking to buy a new home.